Daily English Talks.
Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
A simple English talk that changed my mind.
Hey, Daniel, you look unusually thoughtful today, and it seems like something important is on your mind.
I guess you noticed it quickly, because I have been thinking about a conversation I had yesterday afternoon.
Really? What kind of conversation could make you look this serious and reflective today?
It was actually a very simple English conversation with a stranger at the bookstore near my apartment.
That sounds interesting already, because sometimes the simplest talks become the most memorable ones.
Exactly. And before that moment, I always believed that small conversations were meaningless and forgettable.
I used to think the same way, especially when I felt nervous speaking English with other people.
That was exactly my problem, because I often avoided conversations due to fear of making mistakes.
So, what happened at the bookstore that suddenly changed your perspective about speaking English?
I was looking for a travel magazine when an older man asked me if I enjoyed reading about different countries.
That sounds like a very ordinary question, but sometimes ordinary questions open unexpected doors.
I answered him carefully in English, and I expected the conversation to end after just one sentence.
But I assume it did not end there, because otherwise you would not still be thinking about it.
You are right, because he smiled warmly and continued asking me about my dreams and future plans.
That must have surprised you, especially if you're not used to strangers talking so openly.
It surprised me a lot because his voice was calm and encouraging, which made me feel comfortable immediately.
Comfortable conversations can really change our confidence, especially when learning another language.
Yes, and the strange thing was that he never cared about my grammar mistakes or pronunciation problems.
That is actually very common because most people care more about communication than perfect grammar.
Hearing that from you makes me feel better because I always judge myself too harshly when speaking English.
Many learners feel that way, but confidence usually grows when we stop fearing every little mistake.
The man at the bookstore told me something simple that I cannot stop thinking about even today.
Now I am really curious. So what exactly did he say to you during that conversation?
He said that language is not only about speaking correctly, but also about connecting honestly with people.
Wow, that sentence sounds simple, but it carries a very deep and powerful meaning.
That is exactly why it stayed in my mind, because I suddenly realized how afraid I had always been.
Fear can quietly control us for years without us even noticing how much it limits our lives.
Before yesterday, I thought learning English only meant memorizing vocabulary lists and grammar rules every day.
A lot of students think that way because schools often focus more on correctness than communication.
But after talking with him, I finally understood that English can also create meaningful human connections.
That realization can completely change the way someone approaches language learning and conversations.
It already changed me, because today I greeted 3 strangers confidently without overthinking every single word.
That is honestly impressive progress for someone who used to avoid simple conversations with strangers.
I still made small mistakes while speaking, but I noticed that nobody reacted negatively at all.
Most people appreciate effort and sincerity much more than perfect pronunciation or advanced vocabulary.
I wish I had understood this lesson earlier because I wasted so much time doubting myself unnecessarily.
At least you learned it now, and sometimes the right lesson arrives exactly when we truly need it.
That is true, because lately I have been feeling stuck and unmotivated in my English learning journey.
Maybe that short conversation reminded you why learning a language can actually be exciting and meaningful.
Yes, It reminded me that every conversation is an opportunity to understand another person's experiences and thoughts.
I completely agree, because conversations often teach us life lessons that textbooks could never explain properly.
Another thing that surprised me was how naturally the conversation continued, without awkward silence or pressure.
That usually happens when both people are genuinely interested in listening and sharing honestly.
The man even shared stories about traveling alone when he was younger and learning languages slowly over time.
Hearing real-life stories from experienced people can sometimes inspire us more than motivational speeches.
He told me that confidence grows one conversation at a time, and that sentence felt incredibly real to me.
I think that advice is valuable because confidence rarely appears suddenly without practice or experience.
Before leaving, he thanked me for the conversation, and I honestly felt proud of myself afterward.
You should feel proud because you stepped outside your comfort zone and gained something meaningful from it.
I walked home smiling because I realized that speaking English no longer felt like a scary challenge.
That emotional change is important because mindset often affects language learning more than ability itself.
You know, I even started thinking differently about meeting new people and starting conversations in general.
That is wonderful because one positive experience can slowly transform many parts of our thinking and behavior.
I used to believe strangers would judge my English harshly, but now I think many people are actually kind.
Kindness becomes easier to notice once fear stops controlling the way we see the world around us.
That simple talk at the bookstore may have lasted only 15 minutes, but it completely changed my mindset.
Sometimes a short conversation can influence our lives more deeply than years of silent overthinking.
I hope I can continue practicing English with more confidence and openness from now on.
I believe you absolutely can, because your perspective has already changed in such a positive direction.
Thank you for listening to my story, because talking about it helps me understand its importance even more.
You are welcome, and honestly, your story also reminded me to speak more bravely and openly with others.